so niggas get lost. Baby, come here, hit the floor. All y'all niggas better beware, cause I'm coming for yours. When money involved, I look at it all. Baby, you know that I'm next.
Hi my brand babies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to have you as a brand baby. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by using this yellow shade from my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush to apply that as my transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with the brown shade from that same palette, and I'm going to apply that right underneath that transition color. And I'm also using the same brush. Now I'm going to go back with that same yellow shade that I used as a transition color to diffuse everything out so everything looks blended. For my Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that in the same area, more directly in the crease, and I'm using my Morphe M200 brush to apply that shade. Make sure you go back with the same transition color to blend everything out and make it look seamless. Also in the Morphe 358 palette, I'm going to use that shade right there, and I'm concentrating that also in the crease area. I want to make it look deeper or add more depth to the eye, so I'm concentrating that in the crease. If that makes any sense. I hope that makes sense. Going back with the same transition color to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Nikki K Tapered blending brush. It's more like a pencil brush to me, and I'm going to apply that brown shade to the crease area just to add more depth and make it darker so that when I cut my crease, it shows up. Go ahead and blend everything out once again. Make everything look seamless. Like I said, I like going in with the same shades on a thick color family because it helps blending go more smoothly. So that's why I stay in the same color family. And I'm going to use this brush first from Equal Tools to get the concealer where I want it to be. And then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques detail brush to actually cut the crease. So I'm going to be cutting the crease right now with the Real Techniques detail brush, and you know, cut the crease. Get it to where I want it to be, and it just helps get it to be more precise with this brush because it has like a pointed edge. So yeah. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter shade from the Morphe 358 palette, and I'm going to apply that as my as a shadow for my lid. So I'm going to keep it neutral and natural on the lid, no shimmer or anything. So I'm just going to apply that shade on top of the concealer. You want to make sure that the concealer is dry a little bit before you apply it to your crease. Now I'm going to go back with the darker shades and apply it on the outer corner. Make sure the lid is blended in with the outer corner, so it won't look like, you know, it's not blended. You can't see any lines of demarcation, is what I'm trying to say. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. gel liner, and I'm going to apply this to create just a line. So I'm not winging it out today. I'm just going to keep it right here, and then I'm going to blend in some more black shadow at the outer corner to make it seem like the liner is transitioning into the shadows, if that makes any sense. So So I'm going to go in with this darker black shade from the Morphe 35A palette, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner and blend it out as well. And I'm using the same Nikki K brush from the beauty supply store. And I just go in with a fluffy brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number, so I just use that with just a little bit of that yellow shade to blend everything together and make it look seamless as always. Like I say, it's repetitive, but you know, you just want to make sure everything is blended. Now I'm going to go in with a shader brush and I'm going to apply those brown shades and the black shade underneath my waterline. The black shade is going to go on top of the brown shade, so I'm just applying the brown shades first and then go in with the black on top of that, more inside the lash line, if that makes any sense. Then I'm going to use this pencil brush. It's a no-name brush, and I'm going to apply my inner tear duct highlight, and this is a pigment from ShopMissA. For my lips today, I'm going to be using, it's a beauty supply store lip liner, but it kind of reminds me of Cork from MAC. So I just use that for my lip liner. For my lips today, I'm going to be using the MAC Velvet Teddy as the lipstick. And I don't think I went in with gloss. I just kept it matte. So yeah. I'm going to be using the same lashes that I used in my previous video, and I'm going in with my Big Shot mascara to apply that on my lashes and make them look blended. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it and give me some thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.